show where we are trading live. We are making live history. We're making history live tonight together.
Or
And
we're going to beat history.
we're going to beat history. What do you mean beat history?
Be history. We're going to be history or we're going to make history. Yeah.
We're going to be history. I'm following Todd at 100%.
How are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're making a second trade tonight. We started at, 1975 was our last trade?
Something around there.
Let me check this. Okay. Let's see. Closed. Let's see. Closed trades. You made in 1992? Yeah, and we lost it.
Yeah, that was right. 1992. Yeah.
1992, and we lost it.
Times 2.25.
1992, and we lost it. Okay. Hold on. So 1992. Oh, I need to change this to 19.92. Your next trade will be 44.82. That's what this is.
Okay, and while I put that in, we're gonna roll the.
Oh yeah. He's getting all fancy on us. He's wanting to be like fancy pants, man.
Right.
Yeah. Well, I guess this is a YouTube show, right? So
It is.
Here it is. All right, folks. Here's what I traded on a little bit ago. This is a downtrend trade. No, I don't know. Let's see.
You did what?
I didn't trade very much lately, but I will tell you that I am up from this week
by doing exactly what you shouldn't be doing. Right?
Exactly.
By just taking a bunch of putting your what little bit you had left, just risking it all, risking it for the brisket.
Risking it. Okay, risking it for the brisket, bro. Look at this right here. You see this right here? Read this and weep. I want you to read this to the folks. My win rate is what? What is it? What does that number say? Big pink number?
76.92. When you take one winning trade, that's not hard.
Okay, 76.92. I've done 13 trades this week on my own, 76%. I'm up 6.74 trades. I'm up $310. That's it, because I haven't really been. I've only been trading with $50 because I lost a lot of money last week. So for us though, let's look at our win rate so far here tonight. What is that number right there? I can't read it. It's kind of small. What does that say?
It looks like 33%.
Dang it.
Okay.
It does look like 33. But hey, we're gonna drill this down. We've only made 9 trades. We've had 3 wins. Okay, but we've had $56 profit. Every win is a win. This is a winning plan, y'all. If you want to know about it, go to daytraderdudes.com and get some free stuff from us. All right, because that's what this is. And if you're like, oh, these guys are stupid, I don't like these guys, then you know what? Guess what?
Suck it.
Yeah. I wasn't going to say that, but
I said it.
I was going to say, well, nobody really likes us. Nobody likes us. And all right, so GBP. Okay, we can't do that one. GBP USD is out of the whack.
Why is it? What Euro GBP is what I'm looking at, but it's. I mean, just because that's where I was.
We just need to win a single trade. That's all.
Yeah, it'd just be nice to, nab a first win.
Well, I'd like to win 2 or 3 trades. I'm trying to get my account up this week. I'd like to.
So you can risk.
I'd like us to actually have a winning streak tonight. So
I'd like to. It'd be nice.
So I can win a couple trades. Oh crap, dude! Holy crap! Odd USD. What the? Dude, look at this. It's sitting on 1 minute levels like it's sitting like crazy, dude.
It's kind of like going all the way up to top line there.
This is a very strong.
If it goes there, but man, the RSI, look at that. It's just been riding the RSI. It hasn't.
Yeah, I mean, you know what I think it's going to break. I think this is going to break because it hit in 10 minutes. It hit in 1 minute. Hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here. Rejected massively. Dude, I think this let me look at 10 and get a better feel for what I think. Yeah, this has. Oh, dude, this is going to break this line. That's what I think. You don't have to believe me. You don't have to trade on this. I'm just saying, in my own analysis of this, I think this is going to break this line. It's been, it could, yeah, it's got plenty of room to break it. You just we don't really know when it's going to break it or when it's going to go up. But I think Well, I guess this is the line. If it gets above that line, it's probably going above it. You know, right now it's like all of this right here, dude. I think is build up. You know, it's consolidated build up.
Consolidation, yeah, and then
So I mean, it's either going to hit this line and go breaking through it, or it's going to just shoot down.
well, it ain't gonna stay there. That's for sure. It's gonna either go down like significantly, or it's gonna break upward.
So I guess I'm going to draw a box right around here. Like this is probably the lower box that we need to be careful of, and this is the upper level. I'm just going to mark these and watch them. This is the upper level right here. It does have one little more line right above there, like that's its highest point. But really the biggest line that it's been bouncing off is that black one. And then it's got a little bit of a line above it. But I'll just watch this one. Or I'll just set alarms here, because if this goes either way, I think we could win.
Yeah.
I think when I'm looking at this in 5, I really do think this could go either way. Man, I want to think that it's not going to break it, but you know, I guess I don't really know what it's going to do, but I do think it is going to break it. It's either going to break it or it's just going to go all the way back down, and that's the most stupid commentary I've ever heard. Because of course it's either going to go up or down.
Yeah. I was wondering, like, what are you about to say? But
it's either going to go up. Or it's
I mean,
gonna
that's
go
the
down.
obvious. But it's right now it's just going down. I mean, I'm seeing like,
yeah. Well, but then again, dude, if it goes up from down here again, it's probably going to break. It's building pressure. It doesn't really have any. The only problem with this one, I don't want to overanalyze it, is it doesn't have any
look
real.
at that wick. See, it's green again right now with 3 seconds.
Right.
Close green.
This doesn't have a real pattern of higher highs or anything, really. I mean, it stopped out here and then it went up here a little higher. So it is kind of going higher highs. But
There are some red flags here, though, massively. The
yeah.
RSI is not on a consistent buildup.
Yeah, the RSI has been.
It's just riding. and also it's not doing anything right. Like this looks like a burned chart to me right now. If it breaks out of there, and you know,
I set my levels, so if it breaks this, we're gonna know it, and I'll come back and look at it again. I'm gonna set my levels a little lower. I want to know if it's just gonna sit here and fart around, then we don't care. But if it breaks that black line, dude, then we'd have to be there early. I'm going to set this alarm a little lower.
Look, okay, here's one. BHD CNY.
Oh, this one went to 67%. Dang it.
Which one?
The one we were just looking at.
Look at BHD CNY right now.
Oh, wow.
Just opened up a new candle. This is either going to break this line. And
okay, so it's mostly rejected off this. Let me look at the 5-10 minute.
But
yeah, this could easily break down. I mean, this could easily break down. It could go either way, but if it breaks this strong line, then yeah, we could probably take a next candle color on it.
Right.
Depending on how far it breaks, and you know, yeah, because it's a bouncing ball, dude. Yeah, I actually think from here it's going to go back down. Now we never know. You know,
you're always kind of the assumption of it breaking. I've always known that.
Oh well, you know, it did hit the. It did. Did it touch the RSI? It went back up. I mean, you think there's going to be another
barely
candle?
Touched.
Okay.
It barely touched, but
I'm just not so.
Well,
I'm not.
Here's the deal. What I wouldn't take is a call on this because
okay, then I agree with you. You don't think this is going to
just
because it didn't really step down.
I'm only banking on this breaking that line. I'm not thinking, oh, it's gonna, you know. Now it could go up, and I could miss.
Right, but it wasn't a stair step down, though. Is what you're saying?
But it doesn't look like it's a. Yeah, it looked like it was either prepping to just break that line, and if it did, I would feel comfortable taking a put. But I'm not calling this, you know, based on this little turnaround.
No, it's so low.
It could it could just do this and go back down some more.
It's gonna break that line. When it does, it's gonna be a big one. I think it's gonna go because this is a massive downtrend, dude. Look at it. 10-minute. That's a 10-minute chart, dude. It's been going down forever.
Holy
cow. It's been you know retracting here and there, but it's hit this low level in the 30-minute. If you look way back, I don't even think there's anything. Well, my computer's acting slow. I don't think it's I don't think there's.
Look, it's got a massive
dude.
candle.
Look at this. This is a 30-minute level. This black line is a 30-minute killer level. Look at that back there.
Oh wow.
Dude.
Yeah.
That's 30 minutes. It hasn't gotten below there. So that scares me. But then that means if it breaks this, dude, we could probably waterfall this thing. It's probably going down. Now, I don't know. That's a pretty strong level. Let's just watch it. I'm going to set my alarm on this one now because I think if this breaks down, then, dude, it's going to be we could win 4 or 5 trades right down the line on something like this because it's been trying to break that level for a long time and it
But
hasn't
it's
been able to.
also there's also a line. Well, not a line per se, but just at the top of that green wick. That's the highest this
This
little
one?
hill got. Let me see. What? Yes, that one. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
That's about as high as it got. I don't know that it's even going to break that.
That's a level 2, you know what I mean? It could consolidate in this channel here cuz look at those candles back there, these upper, these lower, these bottoms and then that top. So yeah, I mean, the thing is though, look what this chart's been doing. It did consolidate in here for a long time and then it broke and went way down. It consolidated, it went up and then it went down. So like I think this is a consolidation line here. Right here, and it bounced up and twice, and then it broke, and it went boom, boom. Of course, the first candle retracted, which would suck if we lost on that first candle.
Right.
But I think that if it breaks, then this one
So
broke.
you're saying it broke? Oh yeah, it did.
It broke,
If we had
and then it
taken
retracted. Then it,
yeah, if we had, yeah, you're right. That candle that broke first.
Yeah, that's why that's a retest. So I don't know if I care about that. But
Did it consolidate or what did it do?
Well, it broke. It kind of did. It bounced. It sat down. Oh, BHDC and Y. Okay, it's doing something. What's it doing?
Let's go to it.
Oh, it's going down. Stay on this chart. This is the one.
Oh, this is the one that you got.
Yeah. It's heading back down now. It was breaking. It was going back down. It hasn't broke, but yeah. No, I think from here, like historically, it doesn't really matter if this breaks an RSI. We're gonna have to take our chances. I mean,
well, yeah. I mean, that's binary options. You don't
that's
know.
it. Yeah.
Sure.
I mean, we know. Okay, so it's getting down to this line now. 47 seconds. If this candle breaks and closes below the black line, I would probably go ahead and take your put. But okay, so it just broke.
The RSI is about to touch though.
That's okay.
So did it break the line?
It broke the line. It's underneath the line. I guess if it closes below the line, then and we think there's going to be one more candle.
That is a freaking massive candle though.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, dude, that level is massive. That is a massive level. So here's your RSI, but the RSI in 30 seconds is touching. It's going to retract here. This is a perfect retraction, actually. I would take your put when it comes when it retracts up.
We're going to chance this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's kind of like, it's like, oh crap.
Well, this is risky, but we're going to see.
Well, I mean, we know.
I mean, like you said, well, that's looking good so far. Like you said, this is
a level that it broke. That it
broke a massive level. I mean, massive.
And so we're looking for one more candle. We're not looking for. I mean, it might retrace, but I don't think it will in this single.
Look at it in 10 seconds.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to retrace in this candle, dude. I think this candle's solid. Oh yeah, dude, it's down there. It's made,
in 10 seconds. It's still going
making
down.
new levels in 10 seconds. You know what I mean? And I don't know that you shouldn't just re-enter. Well, it would be a $19 trade, but
okay. Well, what's
1975? Just do 1975.
Let me put it back in.
I'm not really sure, but you know, 1975. And you would enter now, but no, not now. Wait, you got 8 seconds. 19.75. Don't rush. You got 3 seconds.
2, 1.
Yeah, hit it again.
Okay, so we are in, and we're going to waterfall this down as far as it'll go. If we lose here, then
if we lose, we're done.
No harm, no foul.
If we win, we do it again. Yeah, this could be a pretty big waterfall. In the 10-minute, yeah, I mean, it could retract at any time. It didn't retrace yet. But I don't know that it is going to retrace. Sometimes these charts just go, man. I mean,
sometimes they do.
Broke,
yeah.
That one had a bunch of, this one by.
Well, where is the next floor? Is there one?
There isn't one, dude. There's nothing. There's not a floor back. I mean, we're
talking
about
you need to recalculate this while you've got a few seconds.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, there's another floor down here.
Actually, with 1975, what's the next total? Because I know this should be changing. I mean, you only got 13.
Oh, okay. Then you're at $20.10.
20.10.
Yeah, 2010, and you've got 3 seconds. $20.10. You should go now if you're going. There you go.
That's
That was
2
another
wins
win.
tonight, brother. Look at that in a
Yeah.
row. That's
2 wins
now
in a row.
that could be the last, but who knows?
Okay,
I mean,
so we got a win. We got a win, and this one's going to be $20.28. Go ahead and put $20.28. Just be careful with your decimals.
yes, I am. 20.28.
You got plenty of time. 20.28, yeah. 20.28, and dude, I do think that we could get another candle out of this one because
Well, I'm just at this point we've gotten 3 wins. I'm going to enter until we lose.
okay, you're right. Yeah.
I mean,
Unless we just want we've gotten 3 wins.
we could just call it a
Hold on.
victory and
1, 2, 3. You won your first trade, then your second trade. No. Enter again, dude. I think it's gonna. No, yeah. This is definitely good.
I mean, it is due. You know,
no, just enter. Just do it. Just do it. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Because all these candles almost have no bottom wicks. I mean, it's not wicking from the bottom.
it
at
isn't.
all
Yeah,
yet.
I do see that. I do see that.
So
yes.
that's the only reason I told you to. It just doesn't have a lot of bottom wicks at all. I mean, and so if we get this one, we could probably just call it a day. But I mean, I don't know. We've gotten. You want a 4.
I mean, it is by probability due to release at some point.
This will be a fourth. This is a third. 1, 2, 3. This will be a third one.
I would say let's just not end the night for once with a loss.
Yeah, we can just end this. We can just call it a day. That's 3 wins. This will be a 4th win if we win it.
If this wins.
Oh, it's doing a little reject, but that's okay. It's not. I don't know if it's going to retrace
still pushing
yet.
down though. Still pushing down.
I don't know if this is going to retrace. I think we're pretty safe here.
You got 15 seconds. We'll see.
That'd be so great, dude, if we had 4 wins. I mean,
that'd
we
be the
3.
first. It would be the first.
We actually win more right now than we won.
I think we're gonna win it, bro. I think we are.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna win it.
We're gonna win it, and we're gonna end it. Nice for the first time ever. Now I want to know what this candle is going to do because.
All right, I'm not gonna play this 3 times, but I'm gonna play it once because that deserves it, right? That's 4 wins in a row. This would have been 5.
Would have been, but
we can't worry about that because you're right. We're being, I like what we did, but dude, this could go. This is a huge waterfall, dude.
Okay, so is 2028 going to be our next tomorrow night?
Let's see. It'll be 2020. Well, did you take a 2028?
I think I did. Yeah.
Well, then it's gonna be 2046.
Okay.
Because I think we did a 19. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how many wins did we start with.
There's 1. So we were on a second trade, and then we got 3 additional wins. So we won our second martingale. We had a loss last night.
I actually honestly think, yeah, dude. Did you see that? Yogi Yugi. Did you see that 4 wins in a row? That was more like the old school Todd and Eric. But look at this, dude. I mean, this could be 7, 8 wins, dude. I mean, this could be. Yeah. I don't mind because at any time it's going to turn around.
It is going to. This candle could be it, and which means
look at that 10-minute candle, dude. Look at that 10-minute candle. That is crazy.
Wow.
That's a 10-minute candle, dude. It broke that line, which was actually so far.
I really think what we should be looking for, honestly, we should take our chances on waterfalls breaking massive 30-minute lines.
Well, it's about to hit another level right now. This is another level. Yeah. This is a 30-minute line.
Breaks lines that are that powerful. It usually just goes down a while.
Because look at my screen. This is 30-minute time frame. Look at this. Right now, it's right here on this bottom yellow line. Okay?
Yeah.
But this is way back. This is days ago. Now watch this. Watch when I scroll. Watch what happens. It goes way up there, comes down here, adjusts price. Now look at this. Bounces off this black line. The black line is where we traded. Bounced off the black line, black line, black line. Okay. Then it kept going. Comes down to that black line again, and then when it breaks it, dude, it's going to go all the way down probably to this line. And I think it'll stop there. It makes sense that it would stop at this.
Well, as of right now, dude, we still would be winning, but, it's a risk. So
I mean,
I wanted to just
we've let about 3 wins go by. That's fine.
Yeah, but I mean, because it is by probability due to relieve one of these candles at some
that was a really good waterfall. I mean, we did really good.
It's nice though. I'm not always in favor of playing until we lose. I'm okay with starting out the next night with no losses.
Yeah.
After 3 or 4 solid wins. I mean, that to me is victory, and
Was our
that's
first win on this too? Did we win all 4? Yeah, we did all those
yeah.
on that same chart. So we
Yep.
on that same chart, we got 4 straight wins. We could have done more, but right there's the 4 straight wins right off this black line. As soon as it broke, we started here. We won that candle 2, 3, 4, and it was just 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, dude, we'd be on an 8th win right now.
Right. Yeah. I
Well, and maybe next time we can, but
mean,
dude, this would be epic. 8 wins.
After we've gotten off to such a rocky start with this, I just
Yeah.
thought it would be nice to come back tomorrow not on a second trade.
No, I agreed with you on that because it felt like we're pushing our luck.
You don't know. Yeah, you've gotten 4 wins in a row. You don't know how long it's because most of the time you don't get that many every candle that goes by, the probability of it flipping is pretty high.
I think 3. We already said that. If we win 3 or 4 trades, I mean, we're just really risking our
Wait,
progress.
you just put in 64. Is it 46 or 64? Because that's what I
20. Well, I don't know. I can't remember. How many wins do we have total?
Well, let me look at my trades, or you can look at yours.
Well,
okay.
Look at your trades.
Very first one. Okay, very first one. 44.82. That was our martingale. We won it.
Okay.
The payout was 86.05. Second
I know
trade.
that. Then we had
1975, then 2010, then 2028.
Yeah, 1975 was the wrong number. I think it should have been like a little bit more. But what I'm saying is, when we started this show
with yesterday, you gave me a
when we started this show, we only had 3 wins total, right? I just said that we had 9 trades, 3 wins, right? That's what I said at the beginning of the episode. I said we had 9 trades, we had 3 wins. Okay, so now we have 1 at 45.80, right? And then we had what was our next win at?
Let me look.
1975.
So yeah, 44.82. Okay, 44.82 was our second trade tonight. That was the second martingale. Okay, then 1975, which really should be more, but that's what it was.
And then
2010 is what you calculated, and then 2028.
Well, it's on the I can see it, but I think I missed 1 trade. So now for today's profit, tonight's
I was going to say we made like over $60 or something.
No, we made $97 profit tonight.
Dang.
Because our first trade was 44, and then we had 3 $19 trades, 20, 40, 60 plus 40. So, yeah, 4 wins is huge. We got $97 profit. That's 4 wins out of 4 total wins, 100% win rate. So what that brings our win rate up to now for the whole thing is it brings our win rate up to 54%.
Really?
That's great. Yeah,
13. Yes, that's
13 trades. 7 wins, so we're over 50%.
We're now over 50%. That's
total profit from when we started this. Last week, $153.
Wow.
All right, so that's good actually.
That's real good. I mean, dude, I really think that this slow cooking idea is gonna sustain us and work, dude.
Yeah,
we haven't gone beyond a third trade.
Yeah, we're getting better, dude. Honestly, I hadn't traded night charts for about 2 years. Literally, right. We started this. I haven't traded night charts in like 2 or 3 years. I haven't traded 1-minute trades in about 2 years.
Right.
So I think now that we're getting the feel of it, like that breakthrough was really clear.
That felt like old school. That's how we used to do it.
Only that time we knew, dude. And look at that. Hit that yellow line that I already marked. I marked this yellow line back there.
Yeah, you did. It dead on. I mean, dead nuts.
So when you look at the 10-minute and the 30-minute, it really shows you like this is a strong level. Like I already knew it's going. I didn't make this line. I made this line back there like 3 days ago in the 30-minute time frame. So this shows you that it will obey. This break was lucky. We got really lucky. I mean, it isn't like there's not luck because that could have retraced right away and we could have lost, but it just didn't. And I thought if it breaks that, it's going.
Yeah. Oh, I knew that was such a strong line. It takes a lot of down.
Oh, like this one. Okay. Remember we said this is going to break out of this box? Dude, look what happened. Broke out of that box and it's gone. Now it's only at 66%, but remember, this is that chart we were analyzing
Right.
before.
Yeah.
We had this box, and now 10 minutes later, it finally broke it. I bet we'll get one more candle out of this. Let's watch that just for fun.
Probably, yeah.
Because that's a big line too. This top line that we were looking at was, look, it was not as big as that last one, but obviously it's got room to go. And I think that what's going to happen is, man, I don't know. This one isn't, well, this would have been the chart that we would have taken that trade when it broke that black line. As soon as it broke that, we would have taken that candle. We would have won it huge. Yeah. And, I think so. I think we would have taken it right there. We would have said it's going.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, because it did break the black line. But even if we would have taken this one, it looks like it might still possibly be a win. It's close. It's like really too close for my comfort. 15 seconds. But we would have probably entered in that first green. And yeah, we would have won both of these. Look at that, dude. Because it broke above. It consolidated a long time. We saw that one coming too. Dude, we saw that one coming.
We did. Yeah, we did.
If we would have been winning all that, we would have been back on this chart. If this chart went to 66% though. But see, it basically came up here and sat here and messed around for a while.
What's that chart? What's that line in 10 minutes?
In 10 minutes. Okay,
is it
in 10 minutes.
Or 10 or 30? Is it
in
a really
10, look how
line?
strong it is in 10. Boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom. Like I knew it was one. And look, it had room up here to go. I'm thinking it's going up here. So when it broke that line, I figured it's going. Okay?
Usually when they break a strong line like that, they go somewhere.
Yeah, in 30 it's even in 30 it's a little bit flat, but it still has room to grow. And it tried to beat that line 1, 2 in 30 minutes. That's a long time, dude. It tried to beat that level for a long time. So we knew it's either going. That's when we were kind of joking around. It's either going up or down. But it went up, and now it's. Honestly, it's not as strong of a line that we just found, but if we find those basement lines, like those real strong, like 30-minute lines on the basement, and we find charts that get close to those, we could maybe win 5 or 6 or 7 trades a night. Because, dude, if we would have kept going on this is what it would have been. I hate to keep analyzing this like a nerd, but like we entered here, so we won that candle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we probably would not have entered that last one. We could have won 8 straight wins. 8 straight.
Yeah.
I would have been nervous on this one. We probably would have quit here because that little tiny red candle would have probably showed a slow down. But it still had enough. It still was gunning for that level. So 8 candles down, we could have won. But I mean, I'm happy with our 4 wins for sure.
Well, yeah, because dude, I mean, that's a lot of the probability of getting that many red in a row.
It's really rare in this chart too. This chart is littered with green candles, dude.
Right.
I mean,
that's what I'm saying. So I wasn't gonna press my luck because ending the night, going to bed with 0 losses under your belt is just kind of
dude. That's the first time we've done that in this show
since we've been back at this. Yes, we have not. We haven't.
7 so 7 trading sessions that we've done since we reset. Started with $20. We had a whole week of basically spinning our wheels. Remember when we were leaving one on the table?
Vintage Todd. Yeah, exactly. Wait. So who is this guy?
Yogio 6218. Yeah.
Did you? Okay. So 6218. Do you remember?
I'm not sure what's your real name because I can't.
Yeah, what's
remember.
your real name? Because
his name changed.
Yeah,
he watched our show way back. I don't know. I think he's in the. He might be in the Trader Tribe. I think I might know.
Yeah. Did you watch us in the old days, like a couple years ago?
Yeah, because I think he is in the Trader Tribe because I think he said he watched us for years.
That was how we did it. The old school, like that was how we did it.
With a lot less analysts. We just found places. We just entered, and then we just we were martingaling really hard, and we just entered. Oh, Alex. Okay.
Alex. Okay. Alex as in Alejandro?
No, Alejandro's a different guy.
Because doesn't he go by Alex too?
I don't know if that is it Ale. I don't think that's Alejandro, unless it is. Oh, is this Alejandro now as Yogi 6? That's not. No, Alejandro's still his own.
Alejandro goes by Alex.
Well, maybe he does.
Is this? I feel like I'm playing with a Ouija board. Is this Alejandro?
Well, maybe he.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It is Alejandro.
All right. Well, because when he said Alex, I was like, okay, yeah, Alejandro goes by Alex.
Dude, I don't know why. Yeah, your name. Maybe you're just logged into a different YouTube channel.
I was like, he's the only one that chats with us, so it's got to be him. So okay, all right.
Okay.
I thought so. Okay. Well, good to know your new username so that we
Well,
know
maybe
who
it's
you
because
are.
you're logged into a different YouTube channel. Like, because don't you have a new YouTube channel now that you're sharing your trades with? Yeah,
Yeah. Did
you're
you? Hey,
sharing
did
your.
you see that I followed you on Instagram too? Um,
Yeah, because in fact, Alejandro, your trading videos keep showing up on my news feed. Let's see here. Yeah, that was much more like what we used to do.
that was it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
your
we saw
trading
that coming,
videos.
dude. We saw that coming a mile away. Like we called that like pretty well.
Was this
Yeah.
okay? Yogi 6218. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, Yogi 6 Alejandro Garcia, Yogio 6218. Okay, 70. Dude, you got 73 subscribers on your channel now. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna share one of your videos if it's yeah, you're probably fine. I'm gonna share. This is Alejandro's channel. You can go right there and watch his videos. He's in the tribe and he I put it in the thing. So yeah, he's been dude. His channel. Click on his. Are you on his channel? Because he does like daily videos on YouTube. He's got tons of videos. They're good videos, and there's he's got like 260 videos. Man, he's been like really posting.
What's his channel name?
I just posted it in the chat.
Well, I can't click on that. I'm in.
It's called Yogi 6218. I don't know. Oh, it's Yogi. It's that name is the name of the channel. But I'll text you. I'll text you a link later. You just need to subscribe to him because Alejandro is actually the one, and I know you don't care about this topic. He's the one that actually inspired me to change my entire strategy because I realized his win rate was like almost 70%, and I was like, dude, if I have that kind of a win rate, I could just never martingale. I could just trade single
Wait,
trades.
I'm already subscribed to his channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm already. You can't see it, but I'm already subscribed. How to get free crypto?
I don't understand crypto, but I mean, that's just I guess if you sign up for certain stuff, you can get free. All right, so that's actually tonight.
Yeah, do you know how to make $1 million and not pay taxes on it? First, you make $1 million, and then you just don't pay your tax.
Disclaimer: don't do that. Todd's an idiot.
Well, if you can get past step 1, then I don't think you have much to worry about.
Oh, well, that's true. That's true. People say like that, like, "Oh man, I'm gonna pay tax on $1 million." Like, well, you got to make it first, which you
make your $1 million and then worry about.
Then you'll have other problems, like which Lamborghini do I want to buy?
which woman do you want?
Which color of Harley do I want this year?
Yeah, and which woman you taking out? Your wife or your girlfriend?
Yeah, well, that you already have that problem, don't you?
Oh, I got like 5 times over. No, this is me we're talking about, not my dad. He was like womanizer.
Oh, dude, really?
He was just, yeah, he just, had all kinds of ladies. I mean, they all lived on like 3rd Street in Dayton, but.
Do you really want to talk about your dad on this podcast? I mean,
I was gonna say, yeah. What if he watches it? No, he ain't watching.
He ain't watching, dude. Remember he did binary options.
Yeah.
And he he made like, I don't know, what did you say? He made like $1,500 in like a night the first time he did it.
And then blew it all the next day. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then he
sounds a lot like you, right? Story of your life.
Yeah, I taught your dad that trick, dude.
Yeah.
I was like, just okay, so, dude, this has been a great session because I started this week in my account was $250 on Monday. And it is now, okay, it is only Tuesday. Let me just tell you this. It's only Tuesday. Mm-hmm. I'm at 640. And that's what I'm freaking talking about. I'm going to be by.
Yeah, I think if you just stuck with this program here.
No, I agree with you, especially after tonight, dude. We get these wheels greased, man. We're gonna, 5-6 wins a night, 4 wins a night, 3 wins a night. And we don't have to win that every night, dude. We can lose.
Like you get all this profit, okay? And then let's say you do your own trading tomorrow and lose everything you made tonight.
Well, yeah, I think I'm almost done for the week. I'm done, dude. For my own personal, because I don't need much more money.
Unless you have a bonus you're trying to execute, I wouldn't worry about it.
I'm not worried about it because I'm gonna add a couple $100 to my account over the weekend, and I'm gonna start.
Do you have
next
a bonus?
Yeah, but it's like $100. It's nothing.
You don't no, I mean you don't have much to execute.
No, I mean I put in $100. I got $100 bonus. I mean that's nothing. So
I see. Okay.
so basically, what I'm gonna do is at the end of this weekend, whatever I don't have under 1,000, if we make a couple trades tomorrow and the next day, by the end of the week, if I have $800 or $700 in my account, I'm gonna put $300 in. I'm gonna start Monday with 1,000. That's my plan. So you're right, dude. I really have to be done for the week because look at this, Alejandro. I have to be done for the week because this is my trading. I placed 13 trades. I've won. I've won 6.74 trades. I'm up 6.75 trades. So I have a 76% win rate for this week. That's for me during my day, and that's what I realized. Like I don't need to martingale at all. I just win more than I lose. But so for me, I've had a weekly profit of $300. I started with $250. So I over doubled my account. No, yeah, I have because my account's at like 650 now. So I have to be done, Todd, because tomorrow I could lose 3 trades and I'd be back down like another $150. It's dumb. It's dumb to keep winning. Once you hit your profit goal for the week, you have to stop. I mean, it's only Tuesday, but think about it, dude. I've already won 7 net trades this week. 7. So if I was making $1,000 trades like I was about a month ago,
imagine if we were making $1,000 trades tonight. We would have made
just
nearly
$4,000.
$4,000. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I was at my $1,000 trade level right now, I would already have $6,000 profit for this week. I would be done for sure. You can't keep going because I've done that before where like Monday or Tuesday I've got $3,000 profit and then Wednesday I lose 3 trades, dude. And it is heartbreaking to go like I'm up $3,000 and then like okay, I'm back to zero because you got to start all over. That's why I think an upper level profit stop is almost imperative. Like if you say okay, I'm trying to win 3 trades a week and you're making $500 trades. Once you do that is it. If you go back in the next day, it almost like some kind of universal law. You start losing, and you're like, wow, right. I was up 1,500, now I'm down 500.
Well,
and
that's the beauty of this program here is that we're in a 60 martingale. We have 5 days where we can lose our first trade. 5 days.
Yeah. So imagine we come.
What?
Well, imagine we come in, like we just won 4 trades. We don't even have to do that every day. We could lose a trade tomorrow, lose a trade Thursday, and on a Friday, we could win 7 trades.
Right.
And that's how, because I've been wondering, how are we going to get to, where we're trying to climb to is like, 100 trades. Okay, how are we going to get to 100 trades if we keep losing? But really, we're already now at 7, dude. We're 7% there. So it's like,
right.
I wish I had a little chart that could show me.
And only 7 sessions. So
that's true.
That actually comes out to 7 wins. That comes out to 1 win a night.
1 win a night. Yeah.
So these days where we do have multiple wins, cancel out the days.
That's what I'm saying. We don't need to win every night because if we do or don't, it's still.
So if we do this for 100 days, okay, and in 100 days we only have 100 wins. But
well, then we're gonna be.
Some nights we may have won 3. Some nights we may have lost 2 nights in a row, but then those nights where we won 3 or 4, cancel that out. So we get to day 100 and have 100 wins. Where would we be?
Well, our trading balance will be at $4,800.
Okay, that means we've doubled my account.
And then, dude, if we do that again, from there, if we just do that one more time, this is where it's gonna get crazy. Okay, one more time. So. That would put us to 200, and our trading account will be $11,000, and we will be making $113 trades every night.
113?
Yeah, so that means like at that point, 5 or 6 or 7 trades a week, you could be full time. I mean, it's not like rich, but it's like you're making $500, $600 a week.
So after 200 wins, is it 200 wins?
It'd be a 200 total wins. We'll be at like almost $12,000. Okay. And then from there, if we go all the way to the 300 win level, let's just go to the 300 win level. The 300 win level, we're at $28,000 in profit. We're at $275 trades.
Okay.
It sounds like a long way away, but we're not talking about days. We're talking about wins.
Right.
We're not going to win one trade a day. If we keep our win rate was terrible, dude. We've never had a 30% win rate. I mean, really, unless
Never.
we're just losing our
No,
money.
that was probably just a fluke.
It's just getting back in the swing of it, because I mean, we were basically like trying to figure our strategy
Dude,
out.
tonight we killed it old school, just like we used to.
Yeah, tonight we killed it old school. Just don't forget to put a period in.
Yeah, they get you, and I know that. I look for it every time because they get you. Whenever you back up take your change off, it removes the decimal, and they do
The
that.
other day, I put in like 100, and it put in 1100 because it didn't go back. I mean, it's really easy to do that.
Yeah, I double check that every dang time
because it gets fast. But the way we did it tonight was good, dude. You were smooth. That was a good job. I mean, I tell you the number, and next time we do that, I'll have the numbers written out better. I mean, they're right there, but they're only changing by like.
Well, you only have
20
a
cents.
minute to do it. You have a minute to tell me and me put it in, and that's only if we know, and that's after we figure out.
I just don't know. Is it worth it? It's 20 cents. I mean, 2028 to 2046 to 2064.
It will be, because that change actually adds up.
I guess it starts becoming $1.
It becomes
and starts
a lot of money, because that 20 cents, 100 wins in, has amounted to multiple extra wins.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. Yeah, I mean, you're right. In the grand scheme of things, 25 cents every win is going to add up. I mean, because like you're saying, it's hundreds of times.
Right.
So, if we increase by 20 cents, and it's going to be more than that, but if we did 100 times, we increase by 20 cents, then we've made an extra $20 trade, a full extra $20 trade.
Exactly.
And it's going to increase. So that number is actually
it grows kind of exponentially in a way.
Yeah. So I'll just tell you what it is.
Yeah, with every win.
Do you want me to round these numbers up to where it's like 2040 or 2050, 2070, 2090 instead of 83, 2001? Maybe I should tell it to round this up so that the numbers are a round number, like 1940, 1945.
I mean, you could. I mean, it wouldn't hurt, probably.
Yeah, because it'd be. I mean, that gets kind of. Let me see if I can round up.
Because we're never taking a final trade of, where that number would matter. So yeah.
This is kind of crazy. Round up. Oh, I forget how you do roundups. You go.
Gotta love compounding.
Round up. How do you?
I love the pounding part, but not the compounding. There I go, my stupid off killer jokes. It's 1 a.m. where I am.
I love the pounding.
All about the calm, but I love the pounding.
You're sick. I'm trying to figure out how to round up.
Tell me, Alex, was that funny, or what? Do you give that joke a thumbs up? Was that good improv, or was that just absolutely like terrible? Was that cringeworthy?
Okay, I don't know. I need to ask AI this. How do you round up and make it go to the upward?
Well, I don't know, because it's gonna be.
I'm gonna go up to
it
the
was
next
good.
nickel.
He says my joke was good. Thank you. I'll be here all night. Be sure to tip your waitress.
Oh, round up. So I just go like this, round up. Yeah, okay, round up. Round up to the... Okay, I'm going to round it up to 5. So it's always going to be like 105 or 110 or 125. Is that better than having all these like...
Sure, then 68 cents or...
Yeah, it'll just be 70
42
or... Oh, ceiling. How do you do that? Ceiling. number point. Is this going to do it? Ah, crap. Oh, crap. Ceiling. Oh, I shouldn't put that. I should just put ceiling. Man, I'm like, okay, are people watching me do this? Because,
Yeah. Are you giving away
0.05.
secrets?
It's saying I didn't know. Okay, ceiling, number, significance. What's that mean? Significance. The formula is missing an opening, close. Oh. Ceiling math. Ceiling math. This problem, not trying to type a formula.
Do you get a lot of trick-or-treaters in your neighborhood? Are you the kind of guy that puts razor blades in the apples and gives them out to kids? Are you that kind of person?
Me? What are you talking about?
Are you the kind of person that puts razor blades in the apples and gives them to children on Halloween night?
Yeah. No. What are you talking about?
I just want to see if you're paying attention. That's all.
No, I'm not really. I wouldn't do that. What do you think people would do that? Like, who would do that, dude?
Who would not notice that is my question. How do you not notice? I mean, a razor blade is a good like inch and a half long or something. How do you not notice a razor blade jammed into an apple?
Well, that's true.
And I mean, honestly, if you put an apple in my kid's bucket, I'm probably not letting them eat it. I mean, just being real.
You're putting an apple in there?
I don't know what you've toothpaste or toothpicks. Yeah, there you go. It's funny.
Oh, do I have to do this rounded up? How can I round up in the same cell? Okay.
Instead of candy. Toothpaste or toothpicks. Yeah. Oh, there you go. I mean, you kind of need toothpicks to, if you're eating Laffy Taffies or something, toothpicks come in handy, I guess. I don't know if kids know how to use them or not, but.
Okay. Do you use AI?
Do what?
Oh, it just goes like that? Oh, okay. So I go equals ceiling. Okay, equals ceiling. Okay, D2 times E2. Yeah, okay.
So do you get a lot of trick-or-treaters in your neighborhood? Or no?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking. Like, I feel like you're talking to somebody else.
Well, it's just me and you sitting here. So, I mean, we got Alex in the chat, but he can't exactly.
Dude, I did it. Look at that. Now, instead of 1957, it's going to be 1960. It's going to round up to the nickel. And that's freaking awesome. That's why you need these charts, people, because we take every detail in, every detail, and then when you get
these
them,
charts will keep you from getting a razor blade in your apple, hypothetically speaking, when it comes to binary options.
Okay, so 1960, 1975, 1995, 19. Is that okay? 2015, 2030. I rounded it up to like the next nickel, so it'll be like 2140, 2160, 2180, 2022, 2220, 2280, 2220, 2240, 60. There will be one that's 2385. Is that okay?
Yeah.
As long as it's not like 2387 or something.
Yeah, because I mean that rounding up is important. And now, I guess, now that you've done it, got to be up early for work. Me too. Thank you for the good night. Yeah, that was. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll probably see you again tomorrow. Hopefully, I gotta go too because I gotta work tomorrow too. It's 1 o'clock in the morning where I'm at, and I got a 9 o'clock appointment.
We killed it, dude. I'm proud of you. That's all I can say.
Yeah, we did good.
Watch this. We'll see you guys.